Keol.
Pray for me, God, gonna make it to top. I don't need no love, yeah. Got room for mistakes, I'm gonna be great. I don't need no love, yeah. Pray for me, God, gonna make it to top. I don't need no love, yeah. Got room for mistakes, I'm gonna be great. I don't need no love, yeah.
I woke up today and I'm proud of myself that I'm doing this shit by my own. I don't need any click, any comments or homies, I gotta do this for my home. They tell me to show love and I tell them hold up, see I'm not that good in that zone. You hate me, I feel like I'm blessed, I double my strength when you tell me I'm wrong, but I'm praying. I don't wanna end up like people down here with no dream, just wanna be a lit. Got a couple rich friends, never say what's up, they always looking at me like a small shit. I was never been a smart cause I never play games, if I do see I don't play with tricks. Wanna talk about pain but I don't wanna be the part of a conversation, I better train. First you like me, now you call me insane. I'm not balling, yeah, stay on my lane. Pack my bags, I put my hands up praying. You're pulling legs on me but I'm not playing. Pray for me, God's got a plan for me, how can you doubt me? I'm waiting so patiently, got the money for flex. I'm taking this rap as a god, I'm stating adjacently. They're stealing somebody's fucking ability, hating each other, nobody is doing so faithfully. You better not tell me what to do, I'm doing what's good for me. Yeah, I need all the pray, cause I feel like I'm better myself. When you hate me no more, don't throw me in love and the flower is causing my health. I need all the pray, cause I feel like I'm better myself. When you hate me no more, don't throw me in love and the flower is causing my health, yeah.
Pray for me, God, gonna make it to top. I don't need no love, yeah. Got room for mistakes, I'm gonna be great. I don't need no love, yeah. Pray for me, God, gonna make it to top. I don't need no love, yeah. Got room for mistakes, I'm gonna be great. I don't need no love, yeah.